To change font size on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings icon. In Settings, click on Easy of Access. In left pane, click on Display, and here under Display you will find Make Text Bigger, and you will find a bar. You can drag the slider. I am changing the size. This is the sample. Then click on Apply. Please wait. Look, the font size has been increased. Again, if you want to decrease the size, just drag the slider and click on Apply. You need to wait a little bit. Look, the font size has been decreased. In this way, you can increase or decrease font size in Windows 10 computer.